Car accidents can lead to complex compensation outcomes, often influenced by factors that may not be immediately obvious. Understanding these obscure steps can help victims navigate the claims process more effectively. One key factor is the determination of fault. Insurance companies will investigate the accident to establish who was responsible, which can significantly impact the compensation amount. Another important aspect is the documentation of injuries. Detailed medical records and evidence of treatment can strengthen a claim, making it crucial for victims to keep thorough records. The timing of the claim also plays a role. Delaying the filing process can lead to complications, as evidence may become less reliable over time, affecting the outcome. Witness statements can be pivotal in establishing the circumstances of the accident. Gathering contact information from witnesses at the scene can provide valuable support for a claim. Additionally, the insurance policy limits can restrict the compensation amount. Understanding the specifics of the policy involved is essential for victims to know what to expect. Negotiation skills can also influence the final settlement. Victims who are prepared to advocate for themselves may achieve better outcomes than those who accept initial offers without question. Finally, legal representation can make a significant difference. An experienced attorney can navigate the complexities of the claims process, ensuring that victims receive the compensation they deserve.